Hello YouTube. I'm doing part 2 of the review. The end of the last video got cut off. Not sure why, but I just wanted to do just a quick wrap up on this. I was in the middle of doing the audio assist, which is, I believe, a very fantastic feature. It eliminates a lot of the issues of going through all the CV numbers and what have you to program your lighting and sounds. You can take the sounds that are in the decoder and map them to specific function keys if you like. Brake squeal, you got your lighting effects that simple go through the audio assist. You can have your Mars lights, your Rule 17, dimmable headlights, constant bright, your strobes, double strobes, and what have you. It's a pretty good decoder. I really like it, and I think we're going to be using this along with some lock sounds. I think I'm going to prefer those over the Tsunamis now. It's a far cry from the Tsunamis, and it sounds great and it works great. Wanted to demonstrate the slow speed on this, and I have done 0 modifications to this decoder, and I'm going to put it on speed step 1, and you can watch how slow this will go. And as I stated, this is right out of the box. I just plugged it in. And this is how slow it goes. This is using a stock Athearn RTR unit, and as you can see, it moves nice and slow and steady. Has great back EMF on it, and I had it going in reverse, and it reached the end of my bench test track, and you could hear it revving up like it was trying to apply more power, similar to going up a hill. So it was pretty cool. Anyway, overall I'm impressed with this decoder, and look forward to installing a few more into some of my other locomotives. Thank you very much for watching the video.